Here we've got CUBOT X20, and let me show you how to activate developer options on this phone. So first of all, just open the settings, go to System then, and Enroll Advanced. Here mark About Phone, scroll down, and find build number. Now you need to click 7 times on it, and then draw your unlock pattern to activate developer panel. Let's go back, and as you can see from now on, developer options are right here. And here you can use them, smoothly tap on some particular option to apply it, then turn it off the same way. So this is it. If you'd like to switch developer panel off, just unmark this switcher, and as you can see, they are no longer active, and also they will disappear from system settings. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.